Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that affects a lot of us, our kitchen gas stove. We use it daily, but are we using it as efficiently as possible? Small changes can make a big difference, not just for your gas bill, but for the environment too. So, let's fire up our knowledge with 10 practical tips to make your gas stove work smarter, not harder. First up, let's talk about flame and pot size. Have you ever seen the flames licking up the sides of your pan? That's literally wasted energy burning away. The golden rule is to match the burner to the pot. Use a small burner for a small pot and a large burner for a large one. The flame should stay right under the base of your cookware. If it's wrapping around the sides, you're just heating your kitchen, not your food. It's a simple switch that can save a surprising amount of gas over time. Next, take a look at the bottom of your cookware. Is it flat or warped? This matters more than you think. Flat, thick-bottomed pans make full contact with the burner's grate and the flame, which means heat is transferred evenly and efficiently. A warped or rounded bottom creates gaps, causing heat to escape. This means your stove has to work harder and longer to cook your food. Investing in good quality, flat-bottomed pots and pans is a smart move for any home cook. Tip number 3 is all about maintenance. Keep your burners clean. Over time, food spills and grease can clog the small holes on your burner heads. When this happens, the gas flow becomes uneven, resulting in a weak or distorted flame. This messes up the combustion process and wastes gas. Every now and then, give your burners a good scrub with a brush or a pin to clear out any blockages. A clean burner means a clean, efficient blue flame. Now for a classic tip that your grandma probably told you: cook with a lid on. When you cover a pot, you trap steam and heat inside. This raises the pressure and temperature, which makes your food cook much faster. This is especially true for things that take a while to cook, like rice, lentils, stews, or even just boiling vegetables. It seems simple, but leaving the lid off can significantly increase cooking time and, consequently, your gas consumption. Speaking of boiling, here's a common mistake many people make. Once your water or liquid reaches a rolling boil, you don't need to keep the flame on high. A roaring flame won't cook your food any faster at this point. It just wastes gas and makes your pot more likely to boil over. As soon as you hit that boiling point, turn the flame down to a gentle simmer. The temperature inside the pot will stay the same, and you'll use a fraction of the gas. If you want to be a true gas-saving champion, the pressure cooker is your best friend. These things are miracle workers. They cook food in a fraction of the time it would normally take. Think about tough cuts of meat, dried beans, or whole grains. A pressure cooker can cut their cooking time by more than half. Less time on the stove means a direct and significant saving on your gas bill. If you don't have one, it's definitely an appliance worth considering. Let's move on to preparation. Tip number 7 is to pre-prep all your ingredients before you even think about turning on the stove. Get your mise en place in order. That means chopping all your vegetables, measuring out your spices, and marinating your protein ahead of time. When everything is ready to go, you can cook smoothly and quickly. This minimizes the time your burner is on, but not actively cooking anything, which is a sneaky way gas gets wasted. Here's a clever little trick. Use residual heat. For many dishes, especially those in heavy pots like cast iron, or those with a lot of liquid, you can turn off the flame a minute or two before it's fully cooked. The heat trapped in the pan and the food itself will continue the cooking process. This works great for pasta, oatmeal, and certain curries. Just keep the lid on and let it sit. You'll save a few minutes of gas every time you cook. Tip number 9 involves a bit of flame gazing. Take a moment to look at the color of your flame. A healthy, efficient flame should be a crisp blue color, maybe with a tiny bit of yellow at the very tip. If your flame is mostly yellow or orange, it's a sign of inefficient combustion. This means you're wasting gas and potentially producing more carbon monoxide. It could be due to dirty burners or a problem with the gas supply or stove itself. If cleaning doesn't fix it, it might be time to call a professional for a checkup. And finally, our 10th tip: avoid unnecessary preheating. Unlike an electric oven that needs a good 10 to 15 minutes to reach temperature, a gas stove delivers instant heat. There's usually no need to let a pan sit empty on a flame for several minutes. Just a few seconds to heat up your oil is plenty. Turn on the gas, add your pan, add your oil, and start cooking almost immediately. Cutting out those minutes of preheating will add up to real savings. So there you have it, 10 easy and practical ways to use your gas stove more efficiently. By making these small adjustments, you can save fuel, cook faster, and keep a little extra money in your pocket. Which of these tips will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home and kitchen hacks that will save you money around your home. As always, helpful products links will be down in the description. Don't forget to check them out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.